That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, if you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Alrighty, so we are currently in my pantry and you are getting a overlook on everything that is wrong with this pantry. It is very cluttered, it's unorganized, and it's just a mess and I couldn't take it anymore, so we are going to be decluttering and getting back organized. So the first thing that I did was remove the command strip holders that I was using to hold my broom, my Swiffer, and the dustpan. And I have Luke here assisting me. He was having a little bit of trouble with the strips ripping off, but they did come off relatively easy. So just make sure you're pulling it downward and they should just come right off. A few family vlogs back, we went to Home Depot and we purchased a shelf and we got it cut down to size, and we also got some corables. They're all natural, so we was gonna be able to paint them a color of our choice, and we went to white and it is bare. And before Luke painted them, he removed all of the hardware on all of them, and he also sanded each one of them down before he painted. So here are the shelves in all of their glory. Luke did an amazing job putting them up for me. And here is the shelf that I'm going to be decluttering first, because I really want to get rid of those DIY turntables or Lazy Susans. And I actually found some really inexpensive ones from the Home Goods in Florence, and they were both $4.99 a piece. So basically in these next few clips, you're just going to see me remove some things, and I'm going to start placing them back the way that I want them. So a lot of my shelves are just simply cluttered with mail that should not be in the pantry, but I'm going to declutter them, get the food organized properly, and unbox some popcorn boxes that I have in here, and you'll see how everything looks afterwards. Now moving on to the floor, there is a lot of things being stored down there currently, things that should not be down there as well. I'm going to find a new home for some of these things like my blender, but as far as the water, I'm going to put it on the top shelf alongside with the adult beverages or components that you would need to make an adult beverage. So I decided to use this plastic bag dispenser to help me declutter all of the plastic bags that I seem to have been hoarding. And I suggest you probably get one too if you have this current situation going on in your pantry as well. I do love it and I don't regret buying it. And this is just a quick overlook on everything that is currently going on the right side of the pantry. A lot of these things will remain the same, except I will be decluttering some of these baskets, which are all purchased from the sweet Dollar Tree. Y'all know I love me some Dollar Tree. But yeah, I'm just gonna move some of those things to the bottom shelf on the wall, and I'm gonna turn that into a area for Lucas. So as you can see, I have a basket for my dish towels and or little secondary kitchen essentials. I have my plasticware basket, and the last basket on the end is for like trash bags, plastic zipper bags, and I have my extra aluminum foil and things like that in the back. And this is the shelf that I'm going to declutter and turn some of those items into Lucas's little personal snack shelf. Goldfish? Here, you can have some. I really do like the setup of this because Lucas has always been able to reach his own snacks, but now I won't have to worry about him dropping his baskets and things, and he knows how to count. So if I tell him to get 3 cookies, he'll come back with 3 cookies in hand and 1 in his mouth. So we're working on that. Okay, y'all, this is the last shelf. It is full of stuff. It's just a matter of getting rid of some of these items and it'll be all good. There you have it. Everything is cleared off and very proper looking. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. It took me a while as I had to attend to little old Lucas, but I'm very happy with the end result. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite part was. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as well. I would love it if you join our little family. And I do hope that this gave you some motivation to tackle your pantry as well. I know sometimes it can get a little bit out of hand, and you just need somebody to say, girl, you can do it. Get on up and do what you have to do. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!